So hello everyone, here we are doing revision of class 9. So here let me solve some question related to chapter 14 as we were doing revision of chapter 14. So let me do introduction of chapter 14. In that we have done about mean, median and mode. We have discussed this topic. So let me begin that topic again related to mean. So what is given? So salary of particular company is given, okay, or number of person or number of people, means if they are telling us that 10,000 salary of in that company of 5 person, 15,000 salary is of 3 person, 20,000 salary is of 3 people or 2 people. Let us take it as 2 people. I am giving this example by myself. So now here let me write 35,000 is the salary of 7 people or 6 people. Let us take it as 6. And 40,000 is salary that particular company having of 4 people. यानी ऐसा दिया गया है कि हमें मीन ढूंढना है. तो अब ऐसा मीन दिया गया है कि हम मीन कैसे ढूंढेंगे, हमें सम करना है. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 10,000. हमें 5 बार 10,000 करना है क्योंकि 5 लोगों की सैलरी 10,000 है. ओके एंड फिर हमें 3 बार 15,000 यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा. सो आर सम विल बी वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड इट विल बिकम वेरी लॉन्ग. सो हियर व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, सो दिस इज द न्यू कॉन्सेप्ट फॉर यू कि अब हम यहाँ पे क्या कर रहे हैं. सो हियर वी आर फाइंडिंग वन न्यू थिंग, दैट इज व्हाट. सो हियर वी हैव टू फाइंड summation of fi(xi). Okay, summation of fi(xi). In that this one is in the form of xi and this one is in the form of fi. Here we have to find summation of fi, means हमें इनका sum करना है कि ये कितने हैं. Then I am telling you the equation. In that you have to substitute 5 plus 3 plus 2 means 5 plus 5 10 and 6 plus 4 that will be also 10. तो क्या आंसर आया 20 we having as total. Now we have to find summation of fi(xi) mean 10 into 10,000 into 5, so it will become 50,000. Okay, 50,000. 15 threes are 45,000. 40,000. 2 twos are 4. I have done and I have kept this 40. Now 35 6 we will do and we have to write these 3 zeros. 3 zeros तो हमें लिखने ही है. 6 5 30 and that 3. 6 3s are 18 19 20 and 21. So हमारा आंसर कुछ आया 2 1 and that zeros. ठीक है. Now what we have to do, 4 4s are 16 and this 4 zeros, 3 zeros we have to keep. ठीक है. Now we have to add all these things over here, so it will be called as summation of xi, fi into xi, it will called as summation of fi. क्यों? क्योंकि हमारा मीन का एक इक्वेशन होगा. लेट मी राइट समवेयर ओवर हियर दैट मीन, if it is mean is too large, we can't add it. So in the mean we will write summation of fi xi by summation of fi. Means sum of all these data divide by this. So let us add all these things. So 50,000 plus 95,000. 50,000 by added we are adding 45 and that 40. So it will become 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 5. Okay. And how many zeros we having? We having 3 zeros. Then we have to add this. So as here you can see, I have completed all the addition, and that we have to write over here 361 and this much 0 we have to write. And we have to divide it by 20 because summation of fi is in this form. Let us reduce. Now we having 36100 and that 2. So let us divide 36100 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, then 1 will remain, 6 we are taking down, 8 twos are 16. Okay, then we have to keep that 0 again, and we have to take that 10 down, 2 5s are 10, and that it will become 0. So here we are getting 18050. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understood that how we can find summation of fi xi by using this different method. In that these things are extra. Let me rub over here and let me give you explanation of this. Our main equation is this, that is summation of fi xi, and how we can find by multiplying this and by adding all this we are getting summation of fi xi. How we are finding summation of fi? By adding all these things. This one is xi and this one is fi, and this is how we can solve this question. I hope you understood. So I hope you understood that new concept. Now here few things we have to discuss for that chapter. That in this chapter we have to make histogram. First we have to make simple bar graph. Then we have to make histogram. Histogram could be simple or uneven frequency histogram. So how we will do? So suppose they have given you some data over there that particular students having birthday in particular month. Draw the histogram. Or draw the bar graph. First let us do the bar graph. So what we will do, so here one table is given to you, that what you have to actually draw. So suppose they are giving us that in January, 6 students having birthday of particular class. In March, 3 students having birthday. In April, 4 students having birthday. And in December, 3 students having birthday. Draw this on the graph. So what you will do, you will take your graph paper, you will draw these two lines In that, this one is called as, so here let me explain somewhere over here that you can see it proper way. So let me draw it. So this is how you will draw it. This one is called as x-axis and this one is called as y-axis. Now here on x-axis we will take, here will be 4 gaps, means you have to take 1 centimeter. So first one I am taking as January, this one as I am taking as March. I will write it in short. Then you will write it is April and this one you will write as December. Because they have given data according to this. If they have given 12 months, so you have to indicate all the 12 months over here. Now here you will find all the lines. So here I will take gap of 2 means 0 to 2. So the gap will be of 2. So I will write 4 over here, 6, 8 and 10. Then what we have to do? We have to draw bar graph. But this is not histogram. The difference between it is this one only कि ये join नहीं आएगा, ये एक particular bar graph में होगा. Means you have to reserve one block somewhere over here ताकि वो blocks match ना हो और उनके बीच gap रहे. ठीक है? So what you will do over here? So let me explain you. So for this January, that is 6 student having birthday, no? So you will take down in this form. Means you have to keep gap somewhere over here and you have to keep gap over there. If you are writing for the March, so between 4 and 2, 3 will be there. So you have to draw the graph like this, but it should not be joined. Then you have to indicate for the April, so you have to write that 4 student having birthday, this one is 3, so make it proper. So this one will be of 4 student having birthday in April. Now we have to indicate for the December, so December will be over here. So if you are making graph, again it will be of 3. Let me do it for the 3, so you will take it and you will keep it down. So this is how you will draw the bar graph. You have to indicate over here that y-axis is 1 centimeter is equals to 2. What 2? The students. So this is how you can draw the graph. This is the basic graph. Soon I will show you more informative graph like histogram. And for the uneven frequency, what you have to do? So let me show the graph properly, that how this graph goes. So I hope you understood in my video that how you can make the graph. And this was the simplest graph. In future we will do few more graphs that are very useful to you. I know that for this year they have omitted some graph, for the future we will do surely. And for examination purpose, as we have discussed earlier, that some objective will be there. In that, mean, median and mode will be asked. For 1 mark question also, and for 2 mark 3 mark also. And if bar graph is asked by teacher, then you have to draw this simple graph. And this is how you can solve it. I hope you understood.